20 classic cars under $3,000. Which one deserves a spot in your garage? Number 1. 1969 Plymouth Valiant Signet, $3,000, Rural Hall, North Carolina. This 1969 Plymouth Valiant Signet is listed for $3,000 in Rural Hall, North Carolina. Showing 25,700 miles, this two-owner classic is powered by the 225/6 with an automatic transmission. The seller says it runs perfectly, drives great, and still retains its factory air conditioning. According to the listing, the body is not rusty and the interior is described as nice. The paint has faded with age, one headlight needs replacing, and the car could use a good cleaning, but it appears to be a solid driver that can be enjoyed right away. Number 2. 1967 Dodge Dart, $3,000, Bradyville, Tennessee. This 1967 Dodge Dart 270 is listed for $3,000 in Bradyville, Tennessee. Equipped with a 225 engine and automatic transmission, the seller says it runs well, all the lights work, and it comes with a clean title in hand. The car has some rust, although the seller describes it as minimal for one of these models. The front floor pans need repair, while the frame rails, torsion bar crossmember, rockers, and quarter panels are reported to be solid. It also includes a brand new gas tank and relatively new tires.
Number 3. 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D, $3,000, Prince Frederick, Maryland. This 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is offered for $3,000 in Prince Frederick, Maryland. Powered by a 390 V8 and automatic transmission, the seller describes it as a drivable project that has already received numerous replacement parts. Recent work includes a new radiator, alternator, timing chain, master cylinder, brake booster, distributor, carburetor, and belts. The gas gauge doesn't work, the heater core is bypassed, and several electrical items still need attention, but the car remains a project that has already seen significant maintenance. Number 4. 1979 Ford Fairmont, $3,000, Greer, South Carolina. This 1979 Ford Fairmont is listed for $3,000 in Greer, South Carolina. Equipped with a straight-six engine and automatic transmission, the seller says the car runs and drives. The listing also notes that it still needs additional work, making it more of a project than a finished classic. Aside from that, very little additional information is provided by the seller.
Number 5. 1977 Chevrolet Nova 4-door, $3,000, Columbus, Ohio. This 1977 Chevrolet Nova 4-door sedan is offered for $3,000 in Columbus, Ohio. Equipped with a V8, automatic transmission, and factory air conditioning, the seller says the car runs and drives. According to the listing, it has not been driven on the road since 2002, although everything reportedly works as it should while the car is driven around the driveway. It appears to be a running project that will need further attention before returning to regular road use. Number 6. 1966 Pontiac Le Mans, $3,000, Newark, Delaware. This 1966 Pontiac Le Mans is listed for $3,000 in Newark, Delaware. Powered by a 326 V8 with an automatic transmission, the seller says it runs, drives, stops, and shifts properly after being stored off the road for several years. Recent maintenance includes an oil change and a complete brake fluid flush. The carburetor could use rebuilding, and the trunk floor has rust holes, although the frame is described as solid and the floors are generally in good condition, making it an affordable restoration project.
Number 7. 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2D, $2,650, Fairmount, Indiana. This 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray L48 is offered for $2,650 in Fairmount, Indiana. The seller says it was running and driving before being parked more than 20 years ago, and the engine was preserved with oil in the cylinders during storage. The frame is described as solid, the paint is fair, and the sale includes many restoration parts along with paperwork documenting the car's history. It also comes with a clean Indiana title, making it a solid starting point for a Corvette restoration. Number 8. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2D, $3,000, Port Huron, Michigan. This 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe is listed for $3,000 in Port Huron, Michigan. Showing 65,000 miles, the seller says the car runs and is being offered as a restoration project. While it remains operational, the listing clearly states that it needs restoration. Based on the available information, it appears to be a complete running Corvette that is ready for someone looking for a long-term project.
Number 9. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D, $3,000 in Spotsylvania, Virginia. This 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe is offered for $3,000 in Spotsylvania, Virginia. Originally finished in blue with a matching interior, this complete 6-cylinder automatic project comes with a clear title in hand. The seller says the engine turns over freely, but the car needs a full restoration. A patch panel is required for the right rear floor, although the car includes extra streets and good tires, giving the next owner a solid starting point. Number 10. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D, $3,000 in Monroe, Michigan. The seller believes it is a numbers-matching car and says it comes with many original components, including the radio, carburetor, manifolds, and additional factory parts. The Camaro requires a complete restoration, including floor pans, frame rail sections, and other body repairs. Despite the work needed, the listing notes that the front and rear seats remain in excellent condition, making it an interesting restoration candidate with many original pieces still included.
Number 11. 1964 Studebaker Gran Turismo Hawk GT, $2,000, New Tripoli, PA. This 1964 Studebaker Gran Turismo Hawk GT is listed for $2,000 in New Tripoli, Pennsylvania. Showing 60,000 miles, this manual transmission classic has been in the seller's family for decades and has spent more than 30 years parked in a garage. According to the seller, the car did run and drive years ago before being stored by the seller's grandfather. It has remained untouched since then because the planned restoration never happened. One important detail is that the car does not come with a title, something any potential buyer should keep in mind before taking on the project. Other than its long-term storage, the seller provides very little mechanical information. Based on the listing, this appears to be an affordable long-term restoration project for someone looking for a rare Studebaker that has been family-owned for many years. Number 12. 1979 Pontiac Grand Am, $3,000, Sutherland, Virginia. The seller says the car runs and drives great after receiving a long list of drivetrain upgrades. Recent work includes a 355 small block Chevrolet engine, a new hydraulic camshaft, double roller timing chain, headers, new turbo 350 transmission, billet front accessory drive, chrome alternator, and power steering pump. The rear also has 2 new tires. Inside, the seller rates the interior around 8 out of 10, although the front seat upholstery is beginning to separate. The body needs cosmetic attention, including a dent on the passenger side rear quarter panel and front fender. Overall, it looks like a mechanically upgraded driver that still needs bodywork to match its updated drivetrain.
Number 13. 1973 Mercury Capri 2600, $3,000, Atlanta, Georgia. This 1973 Mercury Capri 2600 is listed for $3,000 in Atlanta, Georgia. Equipped with a manual transmission, this one-owner classic is described by the seller as a very rare find. The seller says the car only needs some TLC to be at its best and suggests it would make a good addition to a classic car collection or an RS-style replica project. No significant mechanical problems are mentioned in the listing, and the seller provides very few additional details beyond its rarity and overall condition. Based on the available information, this appears to be a complete classic that mainly needs cosmetic attention rather than major restoration. Number 14. 1964 Ford Falcon, $3,000, Boaz, Alabama. This 1964 Ford Falcon is offered for $3,000 in Boaz, Alabama. Powered by a straight-six engine paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, the seller says it runs and drives well. Several maintenance items have already been completed, including new tires, a brand new carburetor, a new fuel pump, and new brake wheel cylinders. The listing does not mention any major rust or mechanical problems beyond the normal wear expected from an older vehicle. The seller is also open to partial trades. Overall, this appears to be a straightforward running classic that has already received several useful maintenance updates.
Number 15. 1975 Chevrolet El Camino, $1,500, Buffalo, New York. This 1975 Chevrolet El Camino is listed for $1,500 in Buffalo, New York. The seller originally purchased it as a project, but eventually lost interest before completing the build. According to the listing, the previous owner rebuilt both the 350 engine and turbo 400 transmission. The seller also states that the vehicle was running when it was parked. The sale includes an extra fender, a clean title, and an optional 1976 Laguna front end available for an additional cost. The current wheels shown in the photos are not included. Based on the listing, this looks like an inexpensive project with a rebuilt drivetrain and several extra parts already included. Number 16. 1947 Frazer Manhattan, $3,000, Clay City, Indiana. This 1947 Frazer Manhattan is offered for $3,000 in Clay City, Indiana. The seller recently repaired an ignition problem with new coil, plugs, and points, and says the car is running well again. Additional work includes a rebuilt carburetor, new shocks, and what appears to be a newer fuel tank. The seller also reports firm brakes, a healthy clutch, and a transmission that shifts properly. The body is described as very solid for a barn find, with the driver's side floor pan being the only area showing significant rust. Most of the lights work, and the tires still hold air despite their age. Overall, it appears to be a solid barn find survivor that has already received considerable mechanical attention, but may still require occasional troubleshooting. Number 17. 1970 MG MGB, $3,000, Catawba, North Carolina. This 1970 MG MGB is listed for $3,000 in Catawba, North Carolina. Equipped with a manual transmission, the seller says the car runs well. Recent maintenance includes a new ignition switch, distributor, Weber carburetor, and a new set of tires. The listing does not mention any significant rust or mechanical concerns beyond those upgrades. Additional details are limited. Based on the available information, this appears to be a simple running British roadster that has already received several useful replacement parts. Number 18. 1977 Ford F-150, $3,000, Cambridge, Illinois. This 1977 Ford F-150 is offered for $3,000 in Cambridge, Illinois. Powered by a 400 V8, the seller says the truck runs, drives, and stops properly. The truck reportedly spent years stored after both sides of the bed were accidentally damaged by heavy equipment. While the bed needs replacement or repair, the seller notes that the interior has already been completely redone. The engine is said to run well, but the seller has been unable to locate a reasonably priced replacement bed and no longer has time to finish the project. Overall, this looks like a running pickup that mainly needs body repairs to return it to its former condition. Number 19. 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe, $2,000, Quakertown, Pennsylvania. This 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe is listed for $2,000 in Quakertown, Pennsylvania. Equipped with a stove-bolt inline-6 and power-glide transmission, the seller originally planned to build it into a cruiser before taking on too many other projects. The engine is not seized and has already been cranked over. According to the seller, it will most likely need the ignition points cleaned, a carburetor kit, and fresh fuel before attempting to run it again. The seller also describes the car as very clean for its age, with no major structural concerns mentioned in the listing. Based on the information provided, it appears to be a largely complete project that may require only moderate mechanical work before returning to the road. Number 20. 1977 Ford F-100, $350, Hope, Indiana. This 1977 Ford F-100 is offered for just $350 in Hope, Indiana. This short-bed two-wheel drive pickup does not include an engine, but comes with a C6 automatic transmission. The truck does not have a title, although the seller is willing to provide a bill of sale. The frame is reported to have no rust holes, but one rear shock mount will need replacement. The cab and bed both show visible rust, as seen in the listing photos, making this a project that will require bodywork along with an engine installation. For the price, this appears to be a budget-friendly restoration or parts project for someone looking for a short bed F-100. Which one would you take home? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next Classic Car Roundup.